The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Man, you say the dog a charger. Where you say my charger, my friend?
150 and 15% me supposed to pay. 15% is $15.
Yeah.
15% for $100 no $15.
Yeah.
Oh, you tell me about blood clot. Me pay $150. Then as if I say $50, 50% in a 15%.
So where you send him up?
I'm a mama.
Yo.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, every single time a member of parliament within the country of Jamaica make any form of announcement about the price increase for goods and service within the country of Jamaica, they should always make sure to say the amount of money citizens within the country of Jamaica should pay for the goods and the service. Do not just say the percentage alone, because everybody good per maths. I have some persons out there who are dishonest too. See? Now don't get me wrong, you know. You have members of parliament who sometimes will say the amount of money as well as say the percentage when it comes on to price increase for goods and service within the country of Jamaica. But sometimes me I watch news and me only hear the percentage alone. And something like that in my point of view can cause a problem in the public. Well, anyways, I just presented to you a video that shows a person who was upset because someone tried to charge him $150 for transportation fare. I do not know if it's a bus conductor or if it's a taxi operator tried to charge him $150 for transportation fare. However, the video will be recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. Alright? And you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Now, I have more videos I'm going to present to you, but before I present another video to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I am going to put together and present to you two pieces of videos that will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as St. Lucia. These two pieces of videos shows a building that dropped below road level somewhere within the country that is known as St. Lucia because of rainfall and landslide that happened within St. Lucia. These videos have been recorded sometime within the month of August the year 2021, and I did not get any confirmed information about anyone who died or got injured because of the incident. No. And if I get any more confirmed information about the incident, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video letting you know what I know. Now, please bear in mind that at least one of these videos shows the building dropping below the road level somewhere within the country that is known as St. Lucia. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, observe.
What's here? And the thing going down. And here! Yes! What's here? What's here? What's here? What's here?
Move there, move there, move there, move there, move there, Bessie. Move there, move there.
Oh my God, you!
Move there.
The wire!
Oh, that's still going on here. The bugger, that's still going on, man. That's still going on here. Where's the boss? Everything good? Alright, alright. Yeah, they have to mean I follow the bugger there.
You know, my people, I feel it and it's not my building. Yeah, I feel it and it's not my building. See? Enough I will live at some place where natural disaster can cause big problem for we, you know. Notice me say we, you know, me include myself too, you know. Me not gonna act like me live at some form of safe haven, you know. Yeah, enough I will live at some place where certain things can happen where it's not pretty when it comes down to natural disaster, see? Anyways, I'm gonna move on to another video. You see, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video has been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Ghana. I do not know when the video was recorded. Now, according to some things that I read in a news article about the incident shown in the video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that citizens within the country of Ghana rejected rice that was donated or sent to them from a politician or politicians. And according to some more things that I read in another news article, it is said that the rice had been donated to citizens within the country of Ghana from a lawmaker. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, it is said that citizens within the country of Ghana rejected the rice and said that they don't want rice, they want jobs. See? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video, take a look, listen and observe.
We need job, Lion, we need job. We need job. Job, no rice. Job, no rice. Job, not rice.
That video or that incident, in my point of view, send strong messages. Yeah, Mrs. Strong messages in that video are the incident that happened. See, giving someone rice to eat and all them things, the viewers and subscribers, yes, it fill a gap. Yeah, it fill a gap for a while. But what happened when the rice done? Out of choosing rice every now and then to eat that can be given to you free, or you get a job where you can work for years and provide your own rice for yourself and other things. Which one you would prefer? Yeah, the bag of freeness thing, you know, viewers and subscribers, I know something where sometimes feel good to some persons, you know. You have persons out there who don't feel good in themselves and know say them sit down and wait for things for hand out or then get something free or something like that. You see me, you have persons out there like myself who rather work 2, 3, 4 any amount of jobs it takes to make them achieve what they want to achieve. Yeah, you have a lot of persons out there in the world who stay so me understand when me hear about this incident where citizens in Ghana say they want jobs and they don't want rice. And me respect that. As long as it keep peaceful without any form of bad vibes, me respect that. Me not like the whole aggravated and hostile protesting. Me not support that. But for no say they rather the job than some free bags of rice, me respect that. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna left it now. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, and until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, Yo, skilla.
You are watching
Dancehall, skilla, entertainment.